You telling me you built a time machine out of a DeLorean?
Hey, what's up? What it do? It's your girl KB, and welcome to or back to my channel. Since you are here, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Y'all, this look today is fire AF. If you want to see how I got this look, then you should definitely keep on watching because, baby, this is. I wish I had a little extravaganza to go to, a little Ponderosa or something. Damn. Keep watching. Hey y'all, hey, what's up, what it do? So I've already filled in my eyebrows with, regular old pencil, and just taking some LA Girl Pro concealer, and I'm just shaping up my brows real quick. So I'm just taking this Morphe buffer brush and just buffing out this concealer, just tapping it. This is a Morphe M173. And I'm just buffing that out. Like so, like that. And so what I'm going to do next is going with this white concealer by LA Pro Girl. And I'm just going to put a little bit, not a lot, just a little bit. And then I'm going to do the same thing. We're just going to blend this out, but with a different brush. I just got this Wet n Wild brush just so I can blend out specifically for white concealer. So I'm just gonna blend this out and buff it out with this, and then I'll be right back. So I will be going in with the Jamrock palette by Playing in Makeup by Yolando. She might as well just go ahead and sponsor me or something because I'm always using her products. I'm always using her eyeshadows. I'm always using her stuff. I gotta put in an order for some new things, by the way. So I'm gonna go in with this shade called Loud, and I'm just going to really pack that on to the lid of my eye, and I'm just going to go right in and just pack it on there. I'm just going to pack this shade all over my lid. I really don't do reds. I'm not like a red person, like at least when it comes down to like makeup looks. I'm not a red kind of gal. For some reason this is giving me a pink from the camera, but I swear this is red. So what I'm going to do next is go in with this shade called Crowd and just blend it out at the top. So this is an all red look, y'all. I'm just going full in with the red. So that's all I'm going to do for the eyeshadow, nothing more, nothing less. So I'm going to try to do something different and go in with this eyeliner, you guys. I am nervous because I don't do eyeliner and I do not want to fuck it up. Excuse me. So I might just going to just do this part off camera because if I mess up, y'all, I don't want to act a fool on camera. So now I'm going to go in with these Lash Bomb lashes, and the eyeliner came out okay. I'm not a big person on these eyeliners, y'all. I think this one's kind of thicker than that one, but Y'all know I don't care. Next, I'm just taking some mascara because we cannot have any crunchy, stale ass eyelashes underneath our lash bombs. Okay, so you ain't gonna go too much, not too heavy. I got some Duo lash glue that I got from Walmart for like $2 some maybe. I'm gonna let this dry. This is cute, if you ask me out. Ain't even got no lashes on, y'all. That look good. So let this damn eyelash dry, and then I will be right back once I have both of them on. Okay? So what I'm just doing is taking some loose setting powder and powdering my face before I put on any foundation and or concealer. I'm just trying something out real quick. I'm just trying to see, because my skin is oily occasionally, and I just want to see if me powdering my face a little bit first will do anything. So that's what I'm doing. So the foundation I'm using is the Milani foundation, the Conceal 2-in-1 condition foundation and concealer. Y'all, I be really messing up. Tongue tied, like for real. So I'm just using the Playing in Makeup by Yolando makeup brush, foundation brush, and I'm gonna pat this in. Next, I'm just going to take some Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 11. I am literally always dropping something. So I'm just going, whoa, I'm just going right under the eye. Setting spray. And I'm gonna blend all this good stuff out. Next, I'm just taking some loose setting powder by Maybelline in the shade Deep. And I'm just going to set underneath my eyes with this. Just going to press that in. Under the eye.
On the sides of my mouth, because I do look like I do got oily ass skin, and this powder is gonna do just that. And I'm gonna take some up here in my forehead. And I'm making sure I'm pressing this powder in. Like so, like that.
So next, I'm gonna take this Juvia's Place, the Zulu palette, and I'm gonna just go in and just bronze up my face, contour it up a little bit, not too much. that. That's enough. There. So what I'm going to do now is find my highlights, which is right here, and I'm gonna take this little brush. I don't know what this is from. So you already know I'm going in with this Wet n Wild highlight, my absolute favorite. And I'm gonna put a little bit of that on my cheeks, on my upper higher cheek bone. Now, if you know me, I'm always gonna go in with a brown lip and a new gloss, a new lipstick, something. It's my go-to combination. I'm gonna set one last time on my face, the setting spray. You know, I'm gonna dry that shit off. So y'all, I'm gonna come back with the final finished look, and then I don't even know what I'm gonna wear because I don't know. This is giving me the colors I laid down were red, but they look pink. I'm not sure what. I swear this is pink. I mean, look, I swear this is red, but we're gonna figure it out what I'm gonna put together because period. Oh. So guys, this is the final look. All I did was took out my two little flexi rods that I put in. And I got this little dress I got from Walmart, y'all, for like $12. And I threw on a black long sleeve shirt. I really don't have no Valentine's Day clothes or nothing sexy to wear like that, whatever, but this is what I got, and this is really cute, y'all. I wish I had somewhere to go. I just hate that all of my cute looks will be wasted on staying inside of the house, because I really do be looking good to be staying in the house, you know what I mean? When I say I really do love this hair, I really do love it. This wig is, I really haven't even took it off. I know I can, but I'm not taking the damn thing off. I'm gonna put my two little flexi rods in every night. I just part my hair down the middle and I just roll it up, put my bonnet on, and that's it. So y'all, if y'all like this look, give me a thumbs up, a like, whatever. Give me a comment, leave a comment or something like that. Yeah, this is really cute, y'all. I'm just mad I got nowhere to go. It is 10 o'clock p.m. on a Sunday night, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video of mine. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. You already know what to do. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video, and bye.